Did you know that anacondas can hold their breath for up to 10 minutes underwater? This remarkable ability is just one of many adaptations that make them masters of their aquatic world. These magnificent serpents, often called water boas, are some of the largest and most powerful snakes on our planet. They are not creatures of myth, but living, breathing giants that glide silently through the dark waters of South America. Their lives are intimately connected to the rivers, swamps, and flooded grasslands they call home, a connection that has been perfected over millions of years of evolution. The anaconda is a true marvel of the natural world, a symbol of the untamed wilderness. The natural habitat of the anaconda is a world teeming with life, a place of immense biodiversity. They thrive in the tropical rainforests of the Amazon and Orinoco basins. Here, the slow-moving rivers and murky swamps provide the perfect environment for these semi-aquatic reptiles. The dense vegetation along the riverbanks offers excellent cover, allowing them to remain hidden from both prey and potential threats. During the day, they often bask on logs or low-hanging branches to absorb the sun's warmth, which is vital for their cold-blooded metabolism. The water is their sanctuary, a place where their immense size becomes an advantage, allowing for graceful and stealthy movement. Anacondas are splendidly adapted to this watery existence. Their eyes and nostrils are positioned on the top of their heads, a clever evolutionary design. This allows them to see and breathe while keeping the rest of their massive body submerged and hidden from view. It is a periscope-like arrangement that serves them incredibly well, turning them into masters of ambush. They are most active during the night, using the cover of darkness to prowl their territory. The seasonal floods that transform the landscape are a crucial part of their life cycle, expanding their hunting grounds and bringing them into contact with a wider variety of prey animals. Their connection to the water is absolute. While they can and do travel overland, they are far more cumbersome and vulnerable when out of their preferred element. The water supports their incredible weight, making movement almost effortless. In the dry season, when smaller bodies of water may evaporate, anacondas will sometimes burrow into the mud, entering a state of dormancy until the rains return. This survival strategy demonstrates their profound resilience and their deep, ancient bond with the rhythms of the South American wetlands. Their entire existence is a testament to the power of adaptation in one of Earth's most dynamic environments. The anaconda is a non-venomous constrictor, relying on sheer muscular power to subdue its prey. Its hunting technique is a masterclass in patience and precision. The snake will often lie in wait perfectly still, for hours or even days at a time. It waits for an unsuspecting animal to come to the water's edge to drink. Whether it is a capybara, a wild pig, a deer, or even a large wading bird, the anaconda makes no distinction. It remains almost completely submerged, with only its eyes and nostrils breaking the surface, blending in seamlessly with the floating vegetation and the dark, tannin-stained water. This is the art of the ambush predator, perfected. When the moment is right, the attack is explosive and incredibly fast. The anaconda lunges forward, seizing its victim with its powerful jaws, which are lined with dozens of sharp, backward-curving teeth. These teeth are not for chewing, but are designed for one purpose: to get a firm, inescapable grip. Once it has latched on, the snake immediately coils its immense body around the animal. With each breath the prey exhales, the anaconda tightens its coils, gradually restricting the flow of blood and oxygen. This method, known as constriction, is brutally efficient and is the hallmark of boas and pythons worldwide. The diet of an anaconda is as varied as the rich ecosystem it inhabits. It is an apex predator, capable of taking on a wide range of animals. Younger, smaller anacondas might feed on fish, amphibians, birds, and small mammals. As they grow to their colossal size, so does the size of their prey. Adult anacondas are known to hunt large rodents like capybaras, tapirs, caimans, and even jaguars on rare occasions. They are opportunistic feeders, meaning they will eat whenever a suitable meal presents itself. This adaptability is key to their survival in an environment where food availability can fluctuate with the seasons. After consuming a large meal, an anaconda may not need to eat again for weeks or even months. The process of digestion is slow and requires a great deal of energy. The snake will typically find a secluded, safe spot to rest and digest its food. During this vulnerable period, it is less mobile and prefers to remain hidden. The ability to consume a massive meal and then fast for a long duration is another remarkable adaptation. It allows the anaconda to conserve energy and survive through periods when prey might be scarce, ensuring its reign as one of the Amazon's most formidable hunters. As an apex predator, the anaconda plays a vital role in maintaining the health and balance of its ecosystem. By preying on a wide variety of animals, it helps to control their populations. This prevents any single species from becoming too numerous and overgrazing the vegetation or outcompeting other animals for resources. For example, by hunting herbivores like capybaras and deer, the anaconda helps to protect the plant life that forms the foundation of the rainforest food web. This regulatory function is crucial for preserving the biodiversity that makes the Amazon so unique and precious. The anaconda is not a monster, but a necessary manager of its environment. The presence of a healthy anaconda population is often an indicator of a healthy ecosystem. Because they are at the top of the food chain, their survival depends on the abundance of life at all lower levels. If the populations of fish, birds, and mammals are thriving, then the anacondas will also thrive. Conversely, a decline in anaconda numbers could signal a problem within the environment, such as pollution, habitat loss, or a scarcity of prey. Scientists and conservationists can therefore look to these great snakes as a barometer for the overall well-being of the South American wetlands, a living symbol of the wilderness's vitality. Even in death, the anaconda continues to contribute to its ecosystem. When one of these giants dies, its massive body provides a significant source of nutrients for a host of other organisms. Scavengers, from vultures to smaller creatures, will feed on the carcass. As the body decomposes, it returns vital organic matter to the soil and water, enriching the environment and supporting the growth of plants and microorganisms. This cycle of life and death is fundamental to the functioning of any natural system. The anaconda, a dominant force in life, continues to give back to the ecosystem that sustained it long after it has gone. The ecological significance of the anaconda extends beyond its role as a predator. Its movements through the water and on land can also shape the physical environment in subtle ways. As it navigates through dense aquatic vegetation, it can create channels and clearings that other, smaller aquatic animals may use. Its burrows, created during the dry season, can provide shelter for other creatures. These interactions, though seemingly small, are part of the intricate web of connections that define a complex habitat. The anaconda truly is a keystone species, a heavyweight champion whose influence is felt throughout its domain. One of the most fascinating and lesser-known facts about anacondas concerns their reproductive habits. Unlike many other snakes, anacondas do not lay eggs. They are ovoviviparous, which means the female carries the eggs inside her body until they hatch. She then gives birth to live young. A female can give birth to between 20 and 40 baby snakes at a time, and sometimes even up to 100. These newborns are already about 2 feet long and are completely independent from the moment they are born, equipped with all the instincts they need to hunt and survive on their own in the perilous wild. Another intriguing secret is the phenomenon of the anaconda breeding ball. During the mating season, several males may pursue a single, much larger female. They will wrap themselves around her, forming a writhing mass that can last for several weeks. The males compete with each other to be the one to successfully mate with the female. It is a contest of strength and endurance, a slow-motion battle for the right to pass on their genes. This bizarre and rarely seen spectacle is one of the most dramatic reproductive rituals in the entire animal kingdom, a testament to the powerful drive to procreate. Stories of man-eating anacondas are common, but they are almost entirely myth. While an adult green anaconda is certainly large and powerful enough to kill a human, documented cases of this happening are extraordinarily rare. These snakes are naturally wary of humans and will almost always choose to retreat rather than attack. Most incidents of aggression occur when the snake feels threatened or cornered. The anaconda is not a malicious monster hunting people in the jungle. It is a wild animal that deserves respect and a wide berth. A powerful creature simply trying to survive in its own world. Finally, we come to the question of their maximum size, a topic shrouded in legend. While exaggerated claims of snakes over 50 feet long persist, the largest anacondas, reliably measured, are closer to 30 feet in length and can weigh over 500 pounds. The green anaconda holds the title for the heaviest snake in the world, a true titan among reptiles. It is their immense girth, rather than just their length, that is so impressive. These gentle giants of the Amazon continue to captivate our imagination, reminding us that our planet still holds magnificent secrets and wonders, silently gliding through the dark, mysterious waters of the rainforest.